I'm Coach Tony from BioG LLC, and I'm going to teach you today how to perform prone lying. And what is prone lying, you ask? Prone lying is essentially laying on your belly. Prone lying can be performed on a hard surface, any hard surface really, or firm surface, so the floor, a table, or your bed. Preferably, I like to perform it in my bed. When you're doing prone lying, you generally want to lay anywhere from about 2 to 3 minutes up to 10. You don't need to lay longer than 10 minutes at a time, and I'd recommend doing it at the very least right after you wake up and before you go to bed at night. But if you're having pain throughout the day, or if you're doing things throughout your day that really has you bending over a lot, I would really suggest considering doing prone lying for anywhere from 3 to 10 minutes for more often throughout the day. The benefits of prone lying really happens when you do it more frequent versus doing it a whole lot of minutes at one time. So it's all about how often you do it, not how long you do it, right? So at least twice a day, morning and evening, anywhere from 3 to 5 minutes, but you can do it more often throughout the day. Generally, you can do it every 2 hours if you have the time, if you're in pain. But what prone lying will do is it stretches all the muscles that are in the front of your body, so the flexors, right? And if we're doing this all day in front of us, these all get tight for use. So it stretches these, and when you're stretching, it takes pressure off of your lower back, which is very important for your body to heal itself, right? The back has to be in a stress-free environment in order for it to heal it. So by laying on your belly, stretches the flexors, gets your spine in a pressure-free environment. And when you're laying on your belly, gravity is not at play. When you're standing, there's gravity forcing down on your back, in your body, but when you're on your belly, gravity is not at play. So you're truly in a pressure-free environment, stretching the lower back. So on to how to do it. So it's very simple. I believe it's simple. So you want to sit on a table. Whenever you're getting on a table, don't just climb this way. What I'd recommend is sit on the table first, and then you can scoot down to on your belly. So you flop down sideways and scoot on your belly. If you're on a table, I would really recommend you having your feet hang off the edge. That takes pressure off your back, your hips. When you have your feet straight, then they're kind of, you don't know what to do with them, and it's twisting your ankle, twisting your knee, twisting your back, and it could be causing more stress than needed. But all you're gonna do is lay flat on your belly, like this, feet over the edge, and just lay static for anywhere from 3 to 10 minutes. Really be sure not to keep your head cranked one way for the entire 10-minute time. If you have to, you can turn it left or turn it right, or if you can, just lay it straight. But you just want to relax. So chillax, lay flat on your belly, relax with your head straight. If you have a pillow, you can hug a pillow under your chin if you want. But this is prone lying. You just want to lay here for 5-10 minutes, relax. Again, bed, floor. If you're on a floor, you can put a pillow under your ankles, the front of your ankles. That way, again, take some stress off of all the ankles, the knees, the hips, and all that. So just lay here. When you're laying here, it's really relaxing your back and stretching them flexors and allowing your body time to heal itself from all the flexion throughout your day. After the 5 or 10 minutes, I like to set a timer on my phone. After the 5 or 10 minutes, when you're done, roll over to your side, sit up, and then push up to the side. You can sit here for a minute, get your bearings. Sometimes people get dizzy. And then when you're ready to stand up, try to maintain good posture and stand straight up. Try your hardest to avoid bending over and stretching your lower back, because that kind of wipes out everything you just did with laying on your belly. If you have to stretch your back, honestly, just give yourself one of these before you start walking, and then you're done. Again, that is prone lying. Key points: lay flat on your belly. Don't leave your neck cranked one way or the other for the entire time. Rotate it or head straight or hug a pillow. Ankles hanging over the edge if you're on a table or bed. If you're on the floor, put a pillow or a blanket, something on your ankles. That way it takes stress off your ankles. There it is. Thank you very much.